What is up, YouTube? It is me, Frank's name, or Pigcrafters here, and today, back with another tropical storm Cristobal update. As you can see, the storm is really slowly moving. It's slowly making its way to landfall right now in Mexico, onto Tabasco. So, right now, it's only moving at 1 mile an hour, so it's moving so slowly, and it'll continue to do that until it makes landfall, till it comes back up. Because as you can see right here, really weak. It'll turn back into a tropical depression. Can't speak. Until it'll come back up, and then it'll start to strengthen again as it gets back into the Gulf of Mexico, and then it slowly will make landfall in, it'll slowly try to make landfall in Louisiana. And so yeah, and here is the latest satellite image for Cristobal. Just making its way to landfall, of course, but it's like moving really slowly. I won't be surprised if by the time I woke up it hasn't really even moved. So yeah. And here's the National Hurricane Center's cone. Tropical storm warnings are still in effect for Mexico, as the storm will make landfall, and warnings definitely do need to be issued. And also, I'm sure there will be some issued for Louisiana and some parts of Texas. And here are the models for the storm. As you can see, all of them are saying Louisiana. Only one of them are saying landfall in Mississippi and all that. So yeah, and that's basically it, but there's also one more thing. It is 50 miles away from Ciudad del Carmen, Mexico, with a wind speed of 50 miles an hour, minimum pressure of 996 millibars, moving south at 1 mile an hour, and it's currently 19.1 degrees north, 92.3 degrees west. I'm sorry, can't really speak today. I can't speak today. So here are the models, the cone. Yes, will make landfall in Louisiana. That's basically guaranteed. And there's that. There's some of those models looking pretty weird, but yeah. And also, it's the National Hurricane Center. And also sea surface temperatures for the storm. It's looking pretty warm, and I'm pretty sure this, due to the very warm waters, this storm will be a very strong tropical storm as soon as it gets done making landfall in Mexico, as it moves up into the Gulf of Mexico. Anyways, guys, that's all for the video for today. Hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell for the latest updates. Bye-bye.